As I can see from your comments, guys, you're complaining about the music that was too loud. So I just decided to post another video, and as one of you suggests, I will get to the point and I will offer you the solution in the easiest way and see if I can help you out with that. Otherwise, I'll have to take another one with the third solution, which is a little bit more complicated. So the first thing you want to do is to delete the temp file, and I'll show you how to do it. So you click on start, search for temp, and then choose all the files and delete. Some files may not be deleted, so just click on skip, and then you can run the program. In the second step, you have to reset Pinnacle. Resetting Pinnacle means that first of all you have to save the project as a package file. So you go to File, Save Movie as Package, and you enter the title that you wanna have for your project. After you close Studio, press Windows plus R keys together to get Run Command Box, and you search for Local App Data. Once you digit this, you click OK, and you search for Pinnacle folder. Now you got two Pinnacle folders. One is Pinnacle and the other one is Pinnacle_Studio_23. Now I'm not sure why, because I did this before, of course, that's why now I can use the program, but I'm not sure why I have two folders, which is Pinnacle Studio 23 and Pinnacle Studio 23.old. So I need to figure out which one is the working one. I guess it's the .old, even though it was created on 2019. So what you want to do, if you only got Pinnacle and Pinnacle Studio 23, it's just to rename, as you can see here, Pinnacle.old and Pinnacle_Studio_23.old, and that's what you need to do. So those two steps are very basic but very important. So one is to delete the temps. Delete the temps, it means that it's something that you can do actually all the time. The second step is to restore the program. It's actually pretty simple, because once you do the second step, you don't have to worry about anymore for the folders, because you are renaming the folder. Let me know in the comment below if you find this video helpful. If this doesn't help you at all, I'll show you the third step, which is a little bit more complicated, but you can follow my video and I'll show you step by step what to do. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.